Welcome. Today I am with Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones, and I'll show you how we can change notification voice language. So you have to open the headphones Sony application. Of course, you have to be connected with your headphones, and next you have to tap on the system options. When you're here, we can find below for the notification and the voice guide. Currently it's set up on English. We can switch between all of these languages. So if you want to pick different language, like we can set Turkish, for example, select, click OK. Right now our application will transfer Turkish voice data to our headphones, and it will take about 7 minutes. Of course, I don't want to make it, but if you do, you have to just click OK and confirm. So I'm gonna cancel, and I'm gonna stay with the English. You can also turn off notification voice by tapping right here. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.